Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add another language onto your Squarespace website. Now, from your Squarespace website, you want to go to the website, you want to make it multilingual first, right? After you found your site and you're in this UI here, you want to scroll down and you want to click on the settings button down here. Now, once here, you just have to go to the site languages option here, right? And and since we want to add another language onto our site and not just change our current language, we can use this multilingual option by Weglot. This is an extension, right? And it's free. It's $0. It's £0 per month. But I think for the free plan, you can only translate up to 2,000 words per as the limit. But if you need more, you can always subscribe. But from what I need, the free plan is already enough for me. So let's use the extension here. You want to just click on connect here. It'll open up a new tab like this. And it'll say connect Wecloud. Allow Wecloud permission to allow Squarespace to read third-party account information, including plan level and card usage. And it basically means that Wecloud can see all of the information in your website for the pure reason to be able to translate it, right? So like the contents of customer shopping carts, logged in customer profile information, including name and email address. So if you're okay with all of this, let's just click on allow. Give it a second to load. Now you need to enter a valid email address for the 10-day trial. Honestly, it's not a trial though, because there is a free plan here. Let me just type in my password real quick. And then I'm just going to sign up. Oh, I am where it says I'm gonna sign in. I'm gonna sign in. Now, as you can see here, now there is a UI here. Our original language is English, right? And for the destination language, we can pick one. Also, right here on the free plan, you can choose one language and a use of maximum of 2,000 words. If you need more, please upgrade your site. That's okay. For our uses, it's already enough. I'm going to translate it to French. I'm going to click on save. Now give it a second. Now the setup is complete. Now our site is multilingual.